Welcome back to Paper Craft Time. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these paper sparklers. On the website we do have a couple of options, so we have the uncut and we have cut, just in case you have arthritis or you have hand problems, or even if your child has unsharpened safety scissors. So you can get 3 sparklers out of each, and because we have assorted colors for the 4th of July season, you can do red and white, white and blue, or you can do blue and red as well. It all depends on what you're thinking and how creative you feel like getting. For this example, I decided to use the sticky dots and put it together that way. I found honestly that the double-sided tape works better, just because when it comes to the rolling of the stick for the firework, it doesn't exactly stay too well, so we did have to end up using tape to keep it onto the skewer. Like we've said before, all these projects are hot glue free, so there's no risk of burning your little one's fingers or even your own fingers if you're like me and you don't really pay a lot of attention to where the glue is going. And like I said before, I do find the double-sided tape honestly works better for these sorts of rolls, just because it has like a tighter hold than you would have if you were to use the sticky dots. And there you have it, 2 beautiful paper fireworks. You guys have a beautiful 4th of July weekend. Thank you so much.